Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, what is Apple Maps? So, Apple Maps is the default mapping and navigation application on Apple devices like on iPhone, iPad or Mac. It helps to find locations, plan routes for driving, walking, biking or public transit. Plus, it gives real-time traffic updates, so it's a good one also. But this traffic information it used from another users. So if you have a small community, maybe you need to use another application for it. I mean only for the traffic. You get cool stuff like street view of cities, indoor maps for airports or malls, and also have offline maps, so you can use Apple Maps without internet. Then it also synchronizes across your Apple devices, and it works with Siri for voice directions. Also, the huge plus of Apple Maps that they focuses on the privacy, so maybe it's a game changer for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.